In the region this afternoon. Had a wonderful weekend, and now it's for contestant number 4. Stewards, please close the doors. Can we have the house lights down, please? Contestant number 4 from Club at Large and Don Amos, Fee, Jez, Liam and Ben, Sonic Boom.
When Louis came home to the flat, he hung up his coat and his hat. He gazed all around, but no wifey he found. So he said, "Where can Flossie be? Where's she at?" A note on the table he spied. He read it just once, then he cried. It ran, "Louis dear, it's too slow for me here, so I think I will go for a ride. The note he held tight in his hand, as once more its message he scanned. It said, "Meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Don't tell me the lights are shining any place but there. We will dance the hoochie coochie. I will be your tootsie wootsie. If you will meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair." He called on the old telephone, said, "Why did you leave me alone?" She said, "Meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. We'll throw balls at coconuts to win a teddy bear. We will dance the hokey cokey. I will be your blokey wokey. If you will meet me in St. Louis, Louis, meet me at the fair. Meet me, honey, bring lots of money. Meet me at the fair."
Squirrel!
Row, 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 row and row. Young Johnny Jonesy had a cute little boat, and all the girlies he would take for a float. He had girlies on the shore, sweet little peaches by the score. But Johnny was a Weisenheimer, you know. His steady girl was Flo. Oh, and every Sunday afternoon she'd jump in his boat and they would spoon. And then he'd row, row, row. He'd row way up the river. He would row, row, row. A hug he'd give her, then he'd kiss her now and then. She would tell him when. He'd fool around, and then they'd kiss again. And then he'd row, row, row. He'd row a little further. He would row, oh, 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 oh. Then he'd drop both his oars, take a few more encores, and then he'd row, 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 and then he'd row, 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 kinda slow. A little slower he would row, oh, oh, so slow, so head back for some more,
and then he'd roll,
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 roll, roll. What a show when Johnny went out with his floor. How he would roll.
Ready?